Hello everybody, my name is Sasi and today I come up with a PYQ and this question was asked in Civil Services Examination 2023 and in prelims examination. So let's go ahead, read the question and try to solve the question, okay? So this question is asking about which of the following organism perform waggle dance or others of their kin to indicate the direction and the distance to a source of their food. So this is the question in which it is asking name of the organism which is given in the option perform waggle dance. All right, and options are butterflies, dragonflies, honeybees, and wasps. So before we will answer this question, we should read about all these four organism. Let's go ahead and read one by one. So the very first one is look at the photograph. It is one of the lovely photograph I have put in here, and this is the photograph of dragonflies. I already highlighted the important stuff. You can take a screenshot because I'm not going to read all the stuff, but I'm going to read a couple of the important points. Okay. So these dragonflies are aerial predators. It is of order Ojonata, suborder Anisopetra, and it is existing since 300 million years. And worldwide, 5,900 species available, right? And its close relative is damselflies. Damselflies. Okay, and we talk about the anatomy and flight mechanism. Its abdomen is having 10 segments, and one important point about its eyes, it has 30,000 individual lenses, which are known as omatidia. You see here, omatidia, and just because of that, it is able to see 360-degree, right? And its the maximum speed is around 55 kilometer per hour. Just imagine, it's quite interesting information about it because I don't think human being can run at such a speed. And for prey, it uses its leg, which forms basket to scoop insect. All right. It has only three stage of life, that is egg, nymph, and adult. All right. Okay. This is the detail about its all the three stages of life, that is egg, nymph, and adult. You can read it by your own. All right. Now, this is unique information about it. You see here, they catch 95% of the prey they target, right? It means if it is going to target 100 insect, right, it can catch 95 in that. Just imagine. Okay. And it is important because they are important for controlling mosquito population. They, you know, check check and balances in the population of mosquito population. Dragonflies need water for breeding. Okay, just like pond, lake, river, marshes, wetland. These are the areas where you will find it in a huge number, and it you know it travels. almost like 18,000 kilometer. You can from India to East Africa, and back then, so it is one of the migratory uh, species which travel a lot. And this is the basic difference between dragonflies and damselflies. It's different about the wings, body, eyes, and flight. You can take a screenshot because if I'll read it video become too long. Okay, somewhere self-flies is are almost related to dragonfly. That is why I highlighted it. Okay, and if population of dragonflies is available in good numbers, it definitely gonna show that our environment is healthy. Correct. So it is also work as a bio indicator. And now, pest control. One adult can eat 100 of mosquitoes per day. Only one dragonflies can eat 100 of mosquitoes per day. What does it mean? It means that dragonflies are like friend of human being. It uh, you know keep checks and balances of population of mosquito, because we are aware that mosquitoes uh, creates a lot of diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya. Correct. And in India, there are around 450 species of dragonflies are available. Okay. And and females curl their abdomen to form a heart, a shaped wheel for copulation. Okay, okay. All right. And again, the climate change, pesticide runoff, population, these are the reason by which this it become threat to dragonflies. All right. The second species is butterflies. Look at the photograph. This is one of the beautiful creature of God, and this butterfly belongs to the order Lepidoptera. All right. And in whole world, more than 18,000 butterfly species available worldwide. It has colorful wings, delicate flight, role as pollinator, right? Okay. Its body is divided into three parts. That is head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. All right. And it has four stages of life. It is not like dragonfly, which has only three stages of life. So it has egg, larva, pupa, and adult. It is cold-blooded. It is cold-blooded animal. Okay. Okay. Now moving forward. This animal, performs mimicry. Okay, it is one of the speciality, and it can travel around 4,000 kilometer. Means it is also like mm, dragonfly, but dragonfly travels, huge, right? But this is a sort for butterflies. If I'll talk about diet of uh, butterflies, it is herbivorous, feeding on some host plant where it lives basically, and it become, you know, uh, parts of food chain, that is birds, bats, reptiles, and spider. And if I talk about in India around 1500 different species of butterfly available, which is around 10% of whole world. And the largest butterfly is having 140 wingspan. Okay, and different color of butterfly indicate different things like red and yellow suggest how much it is poisonous. Okay, and it also perform them camouflage and different kind of ultraviolet reflectance and wing pattern attract female for mating, right? And this is the difference between butterfly and moths. Okay, now, all right, moving towards another organism. This is wasp, or insect, and its order is Hymenoptera. 1 lakh type of wasp are available worldwide. Okay, and its length varies from 0.2 to 5 centimeter. Okay, and wasps fall into two broad categories: social wasp and solitary wasp. Means they are also social organism, and some of them are also solitary. Means they don't live in social. Okay, all right, these are the other information. You can take a screenshot and read one by one. And for us it is important because it is natural pest control. Okay, and they eat 2000 to 5000 caterpillars. Okay, now its sting is so poisonous, right? Sometimes it when it bite human being, it is very painful. At least for 24 hour or 84 hours, you have already, I guess, um, felt somewhere if they bite you. Okay, and these are the rest information you can read by your own. In India, basically three types of wasp are available: Vespa mandarinia, Polycet olivaceus, scliferon. Right, and this is the difference between wasp and bees. All right, now moving forward to the another organism, and this is honeybee. Okay, look at the photograph of honeybee, and these are the information. Okay, one can lay egg around 2000 per day. 2000 per day. You see here, it's live around 3 to 5 years. Okay, and moving forward now, this is what it was asked in question. That is the waggle dance. Okay, waggle dance. Waggle dance, means waggle dance is generally performed by honeybee. Correct. This honeybee perform dance in the structure of eight, just like this. Correct. They dance like this, and it has its own significance. Means 1 second. If it perform dance for 1 second, 1 second means 1 kilometer, right? And her abdomen right? Her abdomen, if it, in the direction of sunlight, it means, yeah, it runs straight. All right. It has four life cycle, that is egg, larva, pupa, adult. Correct? Okay. Now, other steps like one honeybee can produce only 1/12, 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Okay, and it has to fly around 55,000 miles of flight to produce one kilogram of honey. So just imagine how much honey bees required to produce kilos of honey across the globe, right? And these all are the other stuff. You can read it, otherwise video will become too long. All right. Okay. So this is all about the four organism. Now move towards the question again and see whether we are able to solve it or not. All right. So this we were discussing about waggle dance, and before this we just read that butterflies are the organism which perform waggle dance. Correct? So this is the correct answer. All right. So this is it for today's lecture. Admit card of UPSC 2026 prelims is already, you know, came. So go and download the admit card, and best of luck for future. Thank you. Bye bye.